Middle of January. We're coming out to the greenhouse. I can barely get in the ground. It's frozen. All the snow has melted. Not all the snow, but a snow that I can come in and check the greenhouse out. Just kind of see what's going on. Up here in northern Michigan and zone 4B, it's cold. I am overwintering some carrots as well as some onions to seed save from. So that's what we're going to try because they're biennials and you take it every other year. So protecting them from cross-pollinating with things like the carrots with the Queen's Anne lace. So here's some lettuce. This is not looking that good. It's called for Ellenschloss, and it's a really good lettuce. But I mean, it will survive. It'll start when the temperatures start to warm back up. It'll come back. So I wouldn't eat from it now. It looks a little mushy. And then I've got a little baby broccoli here that has actually grown a couple. That's actually stronger looking than when I planted it. Again, a lot of this stuff will come back, I think, when the soil temperatures start going. So as long as they handle it till then. Here is some cilantro, and that's looking good. I'd eat that right now. I love cilantro. So it's not really growing, but it looks good, and it's actually feels fine. And here's another broccoli, and I know that is not a real bird. And actually, this mix that I have in here, it looks really good. I would actually eat this. This is pretty nice looking, and so it hasn't really been growing. I mean, it has a little bit since I put it in here, which is really cool because, I mean, we are cold in winter for a long time. Another broccoli. There's some red merlot, a little bit more cilantro. And then we've got some spinach, and we have a kitty. Hi, kitty. What are you doing? Checking out my onions? That's awesome. Are they tasting good? Okay, thank you. All right, there we go. Bye.